Well, hi guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm back working on the Goofy cart again. And as you can see, my rear wheel, drive wheel, is all cleaned and painted, and my new hub is all in place back in there with new keys for it. And we've tightened up all of our Allen screws all the way along the way. I'm going to have to wait a couple of days for the paint to completely cure before I can wash my tires and get the lettering white again. This wheel over here is in pretty good shape still. I think all I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a little touch up on it. I'm going to clean it and wax it. And we'll clean these tires too. We're going to clean the whole thing, but yeah, we're going to road test it one more time. And with that in mind, I replaced the roller down here with a little bit larger one that I had modified. It can't go any bigger because I'm actually hitting on the rubber sleeve for my tie rod, my radius rods, but that's okay, it'll be fine. Next time, if this stretches out any more, or any other place stretches out any more, we're going to be using this kind of chain here. This is hardened and shot peen components, solid rollers, pre-stretched. Yep, and that's what we have on the back down here that I had replaced the gold chain that was on there. And, ooh, look at that. Woohoo! Chrome. It don't get you home, but it sure does look good. That came off of a shaker thing they use for mixing drinks, I think. Similar to what these did. These are from, like, for preparing a shot or something. Both of the caps on the rear wheels are that. And you'll notice that one is a little bit deeper than the other. And you also notice they get holes in them because they were spot welded together. And so I popped them apart and they fit on there perfectly. I put a little silicone on them to help keep them in place. I've never had any come apart. Let me see, what else did we get done? Oh yeah. Look down in here. He said, "Where, George? Where?" Look right down in there. We've got another wrench down in there mounted to that part of the steering box. So we have absolutely no forward and back movement other than a little bit of play in the steering wheel itself, which amounts to nothing. But we've got perfect steering response. No slop. So that's good. So we're ready as far as that goes for our next road test. And then I'm going to take it back down in the shop and start really cleaning, and I'm going to have to do a little more paint touch up in places, like here on the roll bar. I'm not sure what happened there, but the paint scuffed off, so we've got to clean that and touch that up. Going to try and make another Goofy cart sticker to go on my gas tank. Yep. And yeah, clean up. She's dusty, dirty, but she's still running pretty good. Let me put her back in a neutral here. Give her the old key turn. Flip up the kill switch. dual carbs. You gotta love it. I need to charge my battery. You notice it turned a little bit hard. My charging system is not hooked up, and I'm not going to bother to now, seeing as how I'm planning on changing the motor this winter. But that's to be seen and done later on. I'm pretty happy with it the way it is now, and we'll take it for one more road test, like I said, and see what we can do for top speed. Hope nothing breaks, you know. And yeah, and then let's see, a week from this coming Saturday is the car show that I hope to be putting it in. We'll see. That's why we need to get it cleaned up, you know, so she looks her best. So till next time, this is George. Oh, let you see my face. You don't get to see me too often because usually I'm in the background, don't you know? Let me back out here in the sun so you can actually see me. It is sunshine here. See that? See that? It's beautiful. This is the old Shade Tree Fix-It Man saying thanks for watching, commenting, thumbs up, sharing, all them good things. Until next time, bye for now. Beautiful blue skies, 80 degrees, almost no humidity. This is Shady Acres, after all, don't you know? That's what I have named it. You think I have a reason for naming it Shady Acres? Yeah. Bye for now.